Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I talk about Plano AC and heater repair. So guys, let's start. Lex air conditioning and heat service. Plano homes and business for HVAC installation, repair and heating service. Plano homes for homes and business for HVAC installation, repair and maintenance. Tune-ups, family owned and operated. Our team of licensed Texas contractors provides fast service and superior performance no matter the type of AC service for which you are looking. Our caring team, certified technicians, will get the job done in professional manner, ensuring a great service, fair prices and great value. Even with short notice, we prepared to provide immediate help with our emergency AC repair service in Plano, Texas. Common problems with nuclear central air conducting. If you are dealing with any of these heating and cooling issues below, call our Plano AC repairs. Why is my new AC not working? Improper sizing of the unit to home. It's not uncommon for an AC unit to be too small for a large new home. Smaller units cost less for developers to install, yet often aren't large enough to cool down homes with high square footage. Check out our blog. Bad reviewing. Common problems with old residential AC problems. Plano also has the large number of older homes and business. Problems with old AC units are far different from those involving new units. Our professionals Plano air conducting service repair team can help address issues and to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Issues our Plano AC repair team can resolve: refrigerant leaks, air conducting units low on refrigerant could be experience a leak. It's important to understand that simply adding more refrigerant does not solve the underlying problem. Contact our Plano AC repair expert to fix the leak by adding more coolant and enhancing the airflow. Routine maintenance service will also help prevent leaks or the prevention of leaks.